Forge Toys. So y'all's another Pokemon event. They can be opening up Mega Evolutions, Extended Heroes. See what we get. See what we get. Here goes the QR code for whoever needs out there to scan it. One through the front. I'm going to say electric. Fire. I always say fire and I didn't that time. Alright, let's see what we get. A Ghastly. Team Rocket Anna. And we got a Gloom. And did we get anything? No, we didn't get nothing. Well, y'all, we didn't get nothing on that one there, y'all. Maybe next time we'll be, y'all. Like what y'all see, subscribe to my channel, please. Forge Toys out of here.